I created the ultimate dark web analysis tool. Yes, you heard it right. Ook. Let's dive into some dark things today. Here it is, an dark theme UI, and let's learn and check out the dark web things. Here you will get a keynote about the tool over here, and let's dive into the action now. Here let's analyze a URL for getting more info about it. I have prepared some links in my notepad. Let's analyze it. Here we can see some information about URL with HTTPS checker, web level checker, domain with scheme. Now let's analyze the hash. Here we can get common hash match, length, input hash for better understanding. Now let's dive into domain info. Here we can see a lot of information about the URL. Some are IP addresses, reverse DNS, whois data, response length, type of domain, and all. Almost we got all the information about the URL. If you think you don't know much about dark web and Tor network, then no worries, let's jump into that now. Here you will be learning about concepts known as dark web, Tor, forensics techniques. Okay, first, let's learn or overview about dark web and T. Key concepts will be info about dark web, network layer, forensics challenges, common attacks, investigate approach. Now let's dive into the Tor network. Here we are getting concepts about onion routing, network components, hidden services, and you can read this all by pausing the video. Now some concepts about forensics considerations like traffic analysis, operational security failures, network monitoring, metadata collection, and some detection techniques. Now let's know the concepts about some important forensics techniques with investigation methodology, QUT. Preparation phase, collection phase, examination phase, analysis phase. Now some artifacts, network artifacts, app artifacts, system artifacts. Now let's use some tools to get knowledge about how the things goes off. First, let's try the Onion URL validator. Here we can see the output with status, URL, search engine used, dot. Now let's switch to hash tool. Here we can see an output of input which showcases hashes from different algorithms. Now network tracer. Here we can see the network going through different channels. Now let's head to reporting section. Here you will get all the report of input link, which you performed in the first section. You will be getting full in-depth report of the link, which given here it will provide in very formatted manner so that you can get and understand information easily. Here one great feature from my side is you can get data in JSON format. I want to thank each and everyone for watching till now. I will be coming new fresh topics and ideas and educational content for you guys. Until then, keep learning, keep updating yourself.